Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Barbie Head logo. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a large circle. And now let's add another circle inside for the border. Next, let's hop in and draw Barbie's head. Let's start inside on the left and let's draw a curve up, over to the right, and back down. And then for the left, let's bring it in slightly for her bangs. Now let's draw the profile of her face on the left. Let's start by curving it down. Then let's bring it out and back in for the nose. And before we continue, let's draw a curve out and back in for the eyelashes. Now let's hop back under the nose and let's draw another curve out and in, and then one more bump for the lips. And now for the chin, let's curve it out and bring it back in. And then curve it down and out at the bottom. Now let's hop back over to the right side and finish drawing the other side. Let's continue it by curving it in and down. And then let's curve it outwards at the bottom. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's add the ponytail. Let's start on the top right of the head and let's draw a curve up and over to the border. Now move back down to the head and let's draw another S-shaped curve down and curve it up at the end. Now for the top right, let's follow that same S curve down and curve it up and in. And now for the end, let's curve it back out to the border. Next, let's erase some of the overlapping lines. Where the ponytail meets the head, let's erase the line there. And the same thing where the eyelashes hit the face. Next, let's erase the border where the ponytail hits at the top. And where it hits at the bottom. And lastly, let's erase where the body hits the border at the bottom. And that's it for the Barbie Head logo. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!